This is Asra. So today I'm going to unbox a Prusa MMU2S upgrade kit that just arrived today. As you can see, this is the packaging in white plastic delivered to me via DHL from Prusa Research. This is the MMU2S upgrade kit. It takes a while to arrive. Not really arrive, but to be shipped to me, because they have quite a lot of customers that are using the Prusa Mark III. So this is the upgrade to convert from Mark III to Mark III's. And yes, this is the bottom part, and this is the top part. So the top packaging, the sticker here shows upgrade MMU2 to MMU2S with 300 gram of PETG. I opted in to print myself a part for Mark III's so that I got this upgrade much sooner compared to waiting for them to print it for me. Though I could ask them to print it for me, but I have to extra about $20. The side, nothing else. At the bottom that you see earlier. And now let's open this. Okay, this is the inside. It's about, I think, close to 500 grams. Packaging bubble, another packaging bubble. Starting from this side, this corner here, this is wire extension for the IR cable there. And at the bottom here is a plate for the buffer of the MMU2S. At the other side over here is the appreciation letter. And at the back, cheat sheet, list of screws, Teflon tubes, Allen keys, special bolts, nuts and washers. And then another one, printing the plastic parts for the original Prusa i3 Mark III's, Mark 2.5S, MMU2S. Okay, I already downloaded the G-code, but right now I got something else printing and I'm not able to print the parts, and that will have to wait for the parts. And this one is about troubleshooting of the PETG sticking onto the bed system. This one is the EXTUPG, I'm not sure, but practically this one is the top cover and fan shroud for the Mark III's. This part, Teflon tubes, five of the Teflon tubes. I think these Teflon tubes were meant to be used with the MMU2S for the buffer as well. For this part, extruder axis. This here they uses the SD card case to store the neodymium magnet over here, because this kind of neodymium magnet can be quite fragile because of their dimensions. Bunch of screws and springs. spare parts, extruder spare parts. Okay, this one I got extra spare of magnet as well, but it got ejected from the SD card holder over here. Let's inspect. Looks like the magnet inside there is okay, but I'm going to put the magnet back inside the SD card anyway. There you go, magnet. Extruder part. This one inside the anti-static bag is the IR sensor itself. Way smaller compared to the optical end stop, but this one is practically similar to the optical end stop used in 3D printer for X, Y, and Z axis. 3D printing handbook. I believe this is the updated ones. 300 grams of PETG in a smaller spool. Yep, 300 grams. Made by Prusa Polymers. I still have the older PETG from the previous upgrade, which is from Mark II to Mark IIIS. I'm going to use that one instead of this one because this one is still in plastic. Vacuum seal. Can be quite a waste to open this right away. And this is wire. Lastly, at the bottom here is the buffer plate, which has about 6 of this plate over here, and I believe this is plexiglass or acrylic. Hard to say, but I think it is acrylic, about 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter in thickness. Okay, based on this letter over here, this kit were prepared and shipped to me by 23rd of April 2019, and the weight is 1.4 kilo, I think, for the whole thing. So I think this is it for the unboxing of the MMU2S upgrade kit, which I got for free because I have MMU2 unit. And also, sadly, this time doesn't have any Haribo, which is the gummy bear from Germany or Czech Republic, I think. Either one of them. I am putting this back again because I need to wait for another print job to finish, and then I'm going to print the extruder parts, including the X carriage over there. So another reason why I don't want to set up the buffer from the MMU2S as well is that this is my setup right now. This is PVC pipe, the gray PVC pipe used for water. They are very thick compared to the electrical type PVC pipe. And at the back over here, notice that I don't think you guys can see that, but the Teflon tube for the MMU2 unit over here is very short, about 10 cm, 5 to 10 cm only. And then this one over here is a guide rail for each one of the filaments so that they will not get tangled inside here, almost quite close to this one. And then there are also gap between the guide rail and the MMU2 Teflon tube over here, and that will act as a buffer as well. So I don't think I'm going to assemble the buffer because the buffer will take quite a bit of extra space as well. So this is it about the unboxing of the MMU2S upgrade kit. And Do like my video if you like it. Do leave your comment if you have any question. I will try to answer them. Do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. And check out my Patreon to support me as well. Ashraf signing out. Peace guys.